before anything else, I'd like to greet the people behind the MMSU. I am a fan of the President kasi unti-unti action man si Sir. And I hope, Sir, lahat ng plano mo sa MMSU sana magawa mo. And I pray for that. The sunflower represents happiness. Happiness, warmth, and adoration. These are all positive qualities. Qualities that I do think that's the purpose of this program, diba? The purpose of this program is to spread happiness, to spread positivity, to spread warmth. So the sunflower's ability to follow the sun's rays throughout the day can be linked to the Filipino spirit. Filipino spirit, like being always positive, always looking at the bright side. Sabi nga nila na, with this, the sunflower blooms at the right season, at the right time. We are invited to appreciate its beauty as it lives. And we look forward to when it blooms again. A reminder that despite all the sham, drudgery, and broken dreams, we are reminded of how beautiful life is and how we should strive to be happy just like a sunflower. So again, congratulations MMSU for all your achievements, and we are looking forward to the graduation po. So again, congratulations sa ating lahat. Magandang umaga and good morning everyone.